How to fix Tradingview lagging problem. So if you are experiencing lag with your Tradingview charts, then here are some things that you can do. The first thing that I suggest doing is closing all of the extra tabs that you may have open on Chrome. So if you have any extra tabs, make sure you only have Tradingview open, and that is going to significantly reduce the lag. Now, the next thing that I suggest doing is clicking the three dots in the top right, then going into settings, and here we want to choose system on the left and make sure this is toggled off. Use graphics acceleration when available. Now if it's toggled on, you want to toggle this off, and it's gonna reduce the lag again. And if it still doesn't work, then the last thing that I suggest doing is just changing your browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, you can use Opera or Firefox, and that is also going to reduce the lag. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.